Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat in rear-facing mode using the lower anchors. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove the infant supports and seat insert and set them to the side. Make sure the tether strap is stored in the storage location on the back of the car seat. Next, remove the lower anchor strap from storage by pressing on the red button on the lower anchor connector. Repeat on the other side. Be sure the lower anchor strap is routed through the blue rear-facing belt path. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat into one of the 3 rear-facing recline positions. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Then check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is completely within the blue zone. If it's not, adjust the recline. For easier installation, fully extend the lower anchor strap by pressing on the gray button. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors in your vehicle. Make sure the arrows point up and that the strap lies flat and is not twisted. To tighten the lower anchor strap, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the free end of the strap. You can also pull the free end of the strap through the belt path to help tighten if needed. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the sides of the seat where the lower anchor strap is and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, remove more slack from the lower anchor strap, then retest for tightness. Recheck the level indicator to ensure it's still completely in the blue zone. Reattach the seat insert by threading the buckle through the correct slot and placing the harness straps between the insert sides and middle section. Then, attach the pins on the insert strap on each side of the seat. Reattach the infant inserts, if using. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.